Today we're going to talk about 4 different types of sentences, and you can see our types of sentences listed here. The first one we want to talk about is really an ordinary sentence. It's called a telling sentence or a declarative sentence, and it usually just simply describes what someone or something is doing. Here we have 2 examples. Our first example is, the girl played with a ball, describing what the girl is doing with the ball. Our second example is, the bird flew through the sky. Again, just describing what the bird is doing. Telling or declarative sentences are very ordinary describing sentences and end with a period. Very common in our writing. The second kind of sentence that we want to talk about is the question or the interrogative. These are asking kind of sentences where we're seeking out information. Our examples here are, have you seen my dog? Or, do you want to play with me? Both seeking information on whether you've seen my dog running around, or yes or no, would you like to play with me? And these types of sentences, because they are seeking information and an answer, will end with a question mark. Our third kind of sentence is our command or our imperative sentence. This is a very bossy, demanding, and command kind of sentence where you're telling someone to do something. Our 2 examples are, go clean your room. That's a command you might hear from your mom and dad at home. Or, put on your shoes. Again, a command you might hear so as you're getting ready to leave the house. Usually, even though commands are bossy and a little bit demanding, we usually say them in a normal tone of voice, so they would end with a period. Our last kind of sentence is kind of the most exciting. It is an exclamation or an exclamatory sentence. And these kinds of sentences usually have very exciting words in them. Words like surprise, yippee, look out, stop. And you can see our 2 examples here. Hooray, today is my birthday. That exciting word, hooray, would probably be shouted because you were so excited you knew presents were coming. Our second sentence example for exclamation is, watch out, a car is coming. And again, that watch out is the exciting part because you wouldn't want someone to step out into a street when a car is coming. Because these are so exciting, these are going to end with an exclamation mark. As you do your assignment today, there are going to be times when you're going to be asked to select the proper end mark for a sentence. There are going to be times when you're going to be asked to name the type of sentence that is in the example. And there are going to be times when you're going to be asked to write your very own sentence. If you get stumped, look back at this video